Water. It really is the basis of life. At least that's what I thought after growing up on great rivers and being acutely aware of how precious it is in deserts. But the deeper I looked, the clearer it became. Water is also a source of pain and misery. It's robbed of its nourishing essence when soldiers and militiamen in the Congo use it to include or exclude the civilians caught up in the violence there. Water's nurturing properties are reversed when politicians use it to lubricate ethnic cleansing in the West Bank, a place where communities are prevented even from collecting the rain. Villages are drowned when rivers are dammed in the Sudan, meanwhile, or cleared of life when water infrastructure is targeted in the killing fields of Lebanon and Iraq, despite the heroic efforts of all the people who resisted. And it is in this vitality that lie the seeds of hope to restore the essence of water. Observing the people who are most affected by water conflict shows me that water should and can provide much more than life. It provides energy for all creative and communal endeavors, and it provides nourishment for our very souls and those of all other beings on the planet. But preserving water's life force requires the transformation of water conflicts, and that's a job for all of us. First, to understand, second, to act. My name is Mark Zeitoun, and I'll tell you more in London on Thursday, the 2nd of May. I'll also be screening Shattered Dream, a film documenting the fracturing and resilience of communities displaced by the Merowe Dam in northern Sudan. Join me at the Regent Street Cinema on the 2nd of May, or watch live on Facebook or on the UEA website.